Now, the second way to have peace of mind in your life, so that you'll be in a state of calmness and not worry so much, which is detrimental to your health and your state of happiness, is be patient. This is a key virtue that many people lack. Listen, whatever it is that you want, it's going to require time. Wherever it is that you are going, it's going to require time. There are many people who are not experiencing peace of mind, who are anxious about life because they lack patience. Listen, everything you want to achieve will take time. People today want to sow seed and tomorrow start harvesting. It's not going to be like that. You won't put a seed down tonight and wake up tomorrow morning and the seed has sprouted and has grown and has bear fruits, and you start harvesting the fruits and enjoying the fruits of the seed that you cultivated the night before. It is not going to be like that. So I want to ask you, how patient are you? Now, you need to be dedicated, you need to be disciplined, you need to be hardworking, but you equally have to be patient. What does that mean? It means that you have to be somebody who is really particular, who is really conscious about what is going on. Many people think they can just get up, start a business, and boom, they will start making money. But it doesn't work like that. Everything will require time. So you start a business, and in your mind, after the next week, you should start selling. You should start making the money. But no, you will start the business, all right, but it may take you 2 years, 3 years, 5 years before you start seeing the fruit of your labor. How patient are you? Because you see, let's use the business analogy. You start a business and you think you should start making money. It doesn't work like that. How have you built your customer base? Who knows you? What relationships do you have? What experience do you have? What is your track record in the marketplace? So yes, you may have started a business. Yes, you think your product is the best, but nobody knows you. So it's going to take time for you to build that awareness. It's going to take time for people to start trusting you. It's going to take time for people to now start coming to buy from you. And as they buy from you and you are diligent, you provide them with excellent services, they begin to spread the news. And before you know it, you are building momentum. So the first 1 year, it may be dry. The second year, it may start getting a little bit wetty. From the third year, you now start building the grounds. You now start having access. You now start growing. Patience is key to building everything significant in life. So you want to have peace of mind? Be patient. It's not going to happen overnight. There is nothing like overnight success. There is nothing like get rich quick. Anytime you hear something about get rich quick overnight success, 99.9% of the time, it's a Ponzi scheme, which many people will fall into. But again, the reason why people have lost patience today is because of how our society has turned into. People want fast food. The people want everything to happen as quick as possible. They want to just press a button and everything works. Yes, that will work in our technology, in another environment. But when it comes to our overall being and our overall survival here on the planet, for the most part, things don't just happen within the time we want them to happen. So be patient. Be patient, but don't be lazy. Be patient, but don't take for granted networking. Be patient, but don't take for granted hard work. Be patient, but make sure that you are doing whatever it is that you have to do in order for you to achieve your goals. But one thing you must know is be patient. Today, maybe there is a Reverend Minister, Pastor Mensa Odebel, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan William, Pastor Eastwood Anaba, maybe Reverend Ajinasari. You look at them, you are like, oh, I want to have a ministry like that. I want to have a life like that. It didn't happen today. We are talking about 50 years, 40 years in the making of these giants in our faith. So you look at them today and you feel like, yes, I want to have a mega church. Yes, you can have a mega church, but it's going to take you more years than you think. It's not going to happen overnight. But what you must understand is this: if you want to experience peace of mind, you need to be patient.